Hello all, welcome to another interesting session that is AI agents in action. We are currently in an AI era where everyone is discussing about AI, that is artificial intelligence, whether you are chatting on WhatsApp or whether you are reading some newspaper or you are using some social media or you are having some discussion with your friends or at your workplace, whatever it may be the thing or situation, guys, AI is everywhere. So we also should upgrade ourselves in the terms of AI and understand what exactly it is capable of. So as part of that initiative, I'm going to cover another interesting aspect of AI that is called as AI agents. Okay, what exactly are AI agents? I'm going to practically show you by the end of this session. I'm going to practically show you how to use AI agents to do some tasks. Okay, and it is going to be very interesting, guys. Okay, you can experience this in this session. By the end of this session, you are going to experience this magic of the AI agents and what they can do and how to configure them in your computer machine and all those stuff. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, what exactly are AI agents? Let me give you a high level overview. Okay, you already know that AI stands for artificial artificial intelligence. AI stands for artificial intelligence, where we are training the computer machines or some machines to think like to think like human beings. Okay, to gain some human intelligence. Even though they are doing in an artificial way, okay, they look like. Currently, the current state of the machines is that they are tricking us in making us believe that okay, they have some intelligence, but really they are not thinking it. Okay, these machines, whatever we are talking about, have some artificial intelligence, are not actually thinking. Rather, we are training them with some enormous amount of data, and by training these machines with enormous amount of data, okay, now the machines are making us feel like they are able to think, but they are not really thinking. Okay, but still okay. The kind of computational speed and the kind of work they can do in less amount of time, that's all good. And we can use them for our needs and all to get our work done in a faster manner. So that is the current state of the AI, right? Artificial intelligence. Now, as part of AI, we got something known as generative AI. Okay, we got a lot of generative AI tools. What is the use of the generative AI tools? Generative AI tools, okay, if you ask some questions to the generative AI tools, they will generate some content for you. Okay, generative AI tools generate lot of content. Okay, the content can be in the form of some text or images or videos. Those are generative AI tools. Okay, a fresh brand new content in the way you ask, the tools are able to generate in a matter of seconds. Okay, those are generative AI tools. Now we are going ahead from the generative AI tools to the next level. That is, okay, here we are asking something for the tool and tool is giving. But tool is not doing any action here. Okay, these generative AI tools are only generating the content for us, but they are not taking any action. But with AI agents, okay, with AI agents, okay, the tools can now take actions also. Here only content is generated. For example, you're asking here, what is the best hotel nearby where I can book a table for dinner at 7 p.m. IST. Okay. Like this, if I ask, generative AI tool will give you all the information about the hotel and best hotel nearby and whether the table is available and it is available at 6, 7 p.m. and let's say that okay, go, you can now go and book a table at this particular hotel and this is the best hotel, it will say. It's not taking any action. It's not booking the table for you. It's only giving the information kind of stuff. But if you use AI agents, okay, if you use AI agents, okay, and you can ask something like this, okay, find best hotel nearby where, okay, find best hotel nearby and book a table for dinner at 7 p.m. IST. Like that, you will ask. Now, AI agent with the given permissions, right, will go and visit, find out all the hotels nearby and find the best hotel for you, and it will book a table for dinner at 7 p.m. IST and all those stuff. Okay, with all the permissions given by you, it will go and book a uh, table for you, and it will give you the booking information. Okay, I have booked the table for you at this so and so hotel. It's for dinner at 7 p.m. IST. Now you can go and enjoy your dinner. Like that, it will say. Okay, so that's the power of the AI agents. Hope you got some idea what exactly is AI. Artificial intelligence means training the computer machines to think like, to gain some intelligence like human beings. Even though that intelligence is very artificial, it's not natural intelligence, it doesn't have any cognitive thinking skills, but it will replicate whatever the human beings are thinking in an artificial way, where we are training, because we are training these machines with enormous amount of data. After training with enormous amount of data, it mimics the user intelligence a bit. Okay, it's not really intelligent, but it mimics that, it has some intelligence. Okay, it feels like. Then we got generative AI. As part of this AI tools, we got generative AI tools, which will simply generate the contents, but content in the form of images or whatever it is, but it will not take any actions. But with the AI agents, they will take actions. Whatever you say, they will take the actions, guys. Okay, so in this session, I am going to show you practically AI agents. Okay, how to configure AI agents in your computer machine. Okay, step by step manner, and show you practically what AI agents can do and how they can work for you. Okay, so it's going to be a wonderful experience for you guys. Okay, by the end of this session, you will feel that you have learned something about AI agents in this session. Okay, so ingredients. Okay, so as when you cook some recipe or something, right? Some food item, there will be some ingredients, right? The ingredients that I have chosen for this session will be: one will be browser use. This is one AI agent. Browser use is one AI agent, and we have Web UI, which is another AI agent. We will use some LLM model, like we have different LLM models, like OpenAI's LLM model, like ChatGPT is one. Okay, or Google Gemini is there. Then we have DeepSeek and many others are there. We are going to use Google Gemini in this case. Okay, and then we are also going to use something known as Playwright, guys. Okay, we are also going to use something known as Playwright along with these things. Okay, AI agents, LLM model, and Playwright. Okay, so everything has its own role and all. Okay, Playwright will help these AI agents to connect with the browser for automation purpose. Okay, with the help of Playwright automation skills. Okay, so what will happen? AI agents will communicate with the Playwright, and Playwright will communicate with the browsers and get the things done for you. I'm going to show you something. Okay, so browser AI agents I'm going to show you in this session with practical demonstration. So let's begin, guys. The practical demonstration I'm going to begin. So to get started with the practical demonstration, guys, I have to use this. I have to configure this browser use. Okay, so I'll just open the Chrome browser or any browser and simply say browser space use. Okay, if I say browser use, right, in the search results, most probably I'll get GitHub link of browser use like this. I'll click on this link. Okay, once I click on this link, even we have a detailed website. You can see browser use, the AI browser agent, like that. Detailed website link is also there, but I would like to go for the GitHub. That is better. Okay, first link only I'll go. Once I go here, you can see the code and all. Okay, just scroll down here, guys. Just scroll down on this page. You don't have to do anything here. Just scroll down on this page, and you see it's asking you to install browser use using this pip install browser use. For this, we need to install Python. If you don't install Python, you will not get pip commands. We cannot run the pip commands in your computer machine. So we have to first install the Python software to install the browser use AI agent in your computer machine with the help of this pip command. Okay, we have to install Python first. For that, just go to new tab and search for download Python. Okay. Once you say download Python, you'll get this link. Just click on that. And here, download Python, latest version, you just click on that button. Okay. The Python software will get downloaded in your computer machine, the exe file. Once it is downloaded, double click on this, guys. Okay. Double click on this. The installation will start. Okay. The Python installation, install Python. It's very simple, guys. Just simply say install now. That's it. It will be done. Okay. Click on install now. The Python will get installed in your computer machine. Okay. Just wait for the installation to be completed for the Python. Once the installation of the Python is completed, we'll go to the next step. Fine. Let's wait until the Python gets installed in your computer machine, in our computer machine. Let's wait for this to be done. Okay. So it's still installing. That's okay. Fine. So Python is now currently getting installed in our computer machine. Okay, almost there. Let's wait for some more time and see whether Python will be, yeah, looks like it's almost done. Looks like it's almost done. We should get some, finish kind of button here so that, okay, we can confirm the installation of the Python in our computer machine. It's still installing. Let's wait. Okay, let's wait for some more time for it to get installed. Fine. So yeah, once the Python is installed, guys, once the Python completes installation, you say setup was successful. Just click on close button. That's it. How to confirm that Python has been successfully installed? Open any command prompt, guys. Okay, open command prompt or whatever it is. Just type cmd here. Open the command prompt. In the command prompt, guys, in the command prompt, you just type Python space -v. Okay, we got something else. I think I have to use another command. cmd, cmd, and here I'll say Python. That is the proof anyhow. Python hyphen version. That's it. Okay, this is not the one I think. So I don't remember the command, guys. Okay, Python hyphen. Sorry. I remember now. Okay, I was not remembering the command actually. So I have to say open the command prompt and type Python space hyphen version. Okay, sorry. N is missing. You see, now if you get this Python and this version number, that's good. This is a command we have to type. Okay, I forgot. Sorry for that. Okay, so Python space hyphen version and the Python version which is installed in my computer machine is coming means Python got successfully installed in my machine. The next step that once that Python is installed in my machine, the next step that I need to do is I have to run this command, guys. For that, again, open the command prompt, guys. You can open the command prompt, not a problem. Okay, open the command prompt and in the command prompt type pip. Okay, install. Without Python have installed in your machine, you cannot run the pip commands. Okay, pip commands will only run if you have Python installed in your machine. Pip installed. Otherwise, you don't have to type everything, guys. You don't have to type everything here. What you have to do is this is the GitHub page of this browser use, right? AI agent, right? Okay, so here you have a copy option. Copy this. Come back here and right click here. It will come. Just right click. Don't say Control V or something. Just right click here. Using your mouse, you just right click on the mouse. Okay, simple. Okay, whatever you copied here will come. Press enter. That's it. Simple as that. Pip install browser hyphen use. Let's wait for the browser use AI agent to get installed. Okay, meanwhile it get installed, guys. You can see here clearly. Browser use is the easiest way to connect your AI agents with the browser. Okay, so browser use is like a mediator between the AI agents and your browser. Okay, on the one side you have AI agent and other side you have the browsers. Okay, and with the help of browser use we can connect the AI agents with the browser. Okay, that's what is the thing. Okay. Okay, so what is browser use, guys? Browser use makes websites accessible for AI agents or browsers. Okay, if you want to connect the, so what is the browser use? Browser use connects the browsers with the AI agents. Okay, if you want to if you want to use some AI agents and these AI agents need to connect with the browsers, need to interact with the browsers. For that, we have to install browser use. That is the purpose. Okay, so browser use is getting installed. That's okay. Okay, browser use is getting installed. So connects the browser with the AI agents. Okay, successfully installed browser use. Okay, once the browser use is installed, right, it's not done it. The next thing that we have to do here is install the browser. Okay, we have to install the browsers, guys. Okay, we have to install the browser drivers or something. Okay, Playwright install Chromium. Okay, whatever the AI agents will interact with Chromium browser, guys. Okay, here whatever the browser you are installing, right? Okay, with browser use will help the AI agents. Browser use will help the AI agents interact with this Chromium browser. Okay, so to make the browser use, okay, browser use will help the AI agents interact with the Chromium. For that to happen, we have to install this Chromium. Okay, for that, this is a command, guys. Install the browser with the help of Playwright and all. We have to install. Copy this, guys. Okay, just follow the steps. Okay, copy this. Go here and right click. Again, it will be paste and press enter. Okay. Chromium browser, for which the browser use will make the agents interact with, will be installed. Okay. So whatever the operations the AI agents, okay, want to do on the browser, that is Chromium browser, with the help of browser use, will happen now. Okay. With that, with this thing. Once that is done, okay, that's it, guys. Okay, here that is the thing. We have few more things to be done. Just wait for that. Okay. For now, this command you need to run after installing Python. You have to run the two commands. Okay. You see it, it's done, guys. Okay, it's done. That's it. Playwright, install Chromium with those. Okay, all those things are done. Anything else here? Then okay. Any other thing here? Okay. Then the next thing here is okay. Then the next thing here is, if you scroll down a bit after these two commands, if you scroll down on this GitHub page a bit, okay, once this is done and once this is done, okay, if you scroll down a bit, if you will see something known as, you can test browser use using, these are the agents case, okay, Web UI is one agent and desktop app is another agent, okay, okay, this Web UI AI agent will take the help of browser use to interact with this Chromium browser that you have just now installed the browser, right? That's what is going to happen. Okay, for that we need Web UI. Okay, for that right click on this Web UI and open link in new tab. In the new tab, again another GitHub page of the Web UI will open. Earlier one was browser use, current one is Web UI. Okay, scroll down on this page, similar way Web UI. So what is this Web UI? Okay, okay, so uh, this project builds upon the foundation of the browser use, which is designed to make the website accessible for the AI agents. Okay, fine. Okay. So in information, run AI agents in your browser. Okay. With the help of this Web UI, you can run the AI agent in your browser. Okay. We can run AI agent in our browser with the help of Web UI. Okay. What Web UI make it possible? Okay. With the help of Web UI, we can run AI agent in your or our browsers. Okay. In your browsers. In your browser. Okay. With the help of AI, this uh, okay, with the help of this Web UI, we can run the AI agent in our browsers. Okay, fine. Let's see. It's a user interface, guys. Okay, Web UI is a user interface designed to be user friendly, enables easy interaction with the browser. Somewhere browser agent is there in between, and this Web UI will create a user interface which enables the interaction with the browser agent. Okay, fine, fine. So next thing here is, okay, next thing here is, scroll down here on this page, scroll down higher on this page, and you will see step one, clone the repository, it will say, okay, clone the repository. How to clone the repository? You can use git clone like this, okay. So before you use this command and all, before you use this command, guys, okay, before you use this command, what you have to do here is, go to any location in your computer machine, okay. I'll go to one of the location in my computer machine where local repositories will be there. And here I'm going to create a new folder, guys, okay. I'll create a new folder, okay, Web UI demo, okay, like that one folder I'll create. I'll go inside this folder. Once I go inside this folder, I'll right click here and select open in terminal option. I'll select this open in terminal option. In the right click options, I'll select open in terminal. Once I say open in terminal, I'll get this Windows PowerShell, okay? Windows PowerShell. You can also use command prompt, but I will use Windows PowerShell at the same location where we are currently. In whatever the folder I created, there we got. Here, what I will do here is, there is a command, right? I'll copy this command, okay? There are two commands, so I'll copy only this command. Copy this, okay? Right click here, it will get pasted. Git clone, git command, okay? It is a git command, okay? So git space clone space and all this stuff, okay? And you know, yeah. So for this git commands and all to work and all, you can also install git software if you want. You can also use git software, guys, okay? Git bash kind of software also you use. Otherwise, you can use Windows PowerShell also. Just press enter, that's okay. Cloning into Web UI, it will say, okay? Cloning into Web UI. It will take a while. Let's wait for this to be completed. Step by step, we'll complete. First step is that git clone. Okay? You see, 100% done, it's saying. Now, so here inside this folder, because of this git clone command, a web-ui folder got created. We'll go inside this folder, guys. Okay, I'll close this Windows PowerShell. I'll just close this one now, and I went inside the web UI. Web-ui went there. Okay, here some git files and a lot of other files are there. Now again, what I'll do here is I'll right click here. Again, I'll say open in terminal in this web UI folder which just now got generated. Okay, again Windows PowerShell will open. Okay, next step here is, okay, set up Python environment. Okay, for that, okay, in order to set up the Python environment, we recommend using UV for managing the Python environment. It's saying, right here there is a link, right? Right click on this and select open in new tab. Here doc.astrl.sh/uv kind of link will come. Okay, so what is there in this link? Scroll down. Here some installation is there. Some installation is there. In that installation, copy this. First line, PS. Okay, here PowerShell is there, right? Copy this. Okay, just select Windows, guys. If you are using Mac or Linux, you have to go here. Otherwise, you can select Windows. Since I am using Windows machine, I'll select Windows and I'll select the copy option. I'll just come back here and right click and paste and press enter. That's it. Okay, just wait for the process. We are installing UV kind of stuff. Okay, to run the UV commands, we have to install this. Okay, so okay, everything is installed. It is saying it's very fast. That's okay. Any other thing I need to do here? I don't think I need to do anything else. I think that's it, guys. So we have to go back to the previous page. Now UV is available. Now you copy this UV commands. Okay, copy this UV command to create the Python environment UV, venv, Python, and all those stuff. Just go here and right click and run. Activate with option is coming. Okay, sometimes it will take this kind of, I don't know why it's kind of fast for me. If it is taking time, you have to wait, guys. Okay, that's okay. Activate with is coming. For activating the virtual environment, and here you see for Windows, this is a command. Okay, copy this. And for Windows command prompt, this is the thing, Windows PowerShell. Since I am using PowerShell, you should be careful. I am using PowerShell. I'll go with this one. Okay, copy this. Okay, copy this for PowerShell. If you are using normal Windows command prompt, go with this command. If you are using Windows PowerShell, you use this one. Okay, I use the proper one. Right click and press enter. Done. That is also done. And it is asking me to install the dependencies. So first one, copy this. Some requirement, something, install Python packages. Whatever that is required, you install. Right click here and press enter. Maybe this will take time. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. This may take time. 164 packages are there. Resolved 164 packages. So it may take time. Let's see. Oh, if not, that's good only. But if it takes time also, you have to wait, guys. Okay, I didn't take much time for me. For the first time in your machine, it may take time, guys. I have already practiced this in my computer machine. Maybe that's why it's fast. I don't know. Or maybe other reasons. I don't know. Okay, so here next thing is install browsers in Playwright. Okay, install browsers in Playwright. Playwright install with depths. Copy this line. Okay, or you can also use this one also, or you can use this one also. Anything is fine. Just go here and right click again and press enter. That's it. Okay, let's see what will happen here. Okay, let's wait for this to be done. So fine. Anything else apart from this? Anything is else? This is not required. We don't have to do anything. All these things are done, guys. All these things are done. I don't have to do anything here. All these things are done. Okay. At the okay. So playwright install hyphen depths. What should happen here? That's it. Okay. So last one more command is there, guys. After this is done, one more command is there. Okay. After this is done, configure environment is there. You don't have to do anything. Enjoy the web UI is there, right? Just copy this Python. Okay. Web UI. Copy this. Okay. It is going to run on this port number on your computer machine and at this IP address. Okay. 127.0.0.1 and at this port number. And that will become the URL for accessing the web UI later. Okay. So right click here and run. Okay. Enter. So we are almost there at the end. Okay, so you are going to see the magic now after this. This is the last command, I think so, yes. Okay, this is the last command, most probably. And after that, we just have to open the browser and access something. Okay. So this need to be done. So this is the last command looks like this IP address and this is a port number where this web UI will be running now after this. Let's wait. Let's wait for some time until this is done. Then after this is done, guys, we have to open this URL, guys. Okay, we have to open this URL in the browser after this part is done. You should not close this PowerShell or command prompt. Just keep them open and so that these things will keep running on the port numbers. If you close them, this service will not run. Okay, the web UI service will stop running if you close the PowerShell or prompt. Okay, so make sure that this keeps running. Okay, I'm not getting anything here. Okay, started something. That's okay. Let's wait. Let's wait for this to be done. It should give some information about this to access this URL. Okay, http:// 127.0.0.1:7788. It should give the information. Till then, we have to wait. Let's wait for that particular thing to happen. Okay, let's wait for particular thing to happen now. So let's wait, guys. So almost there. Let's wait for some more time. Yeah, running on local URL. Now you got this URL. Once you got this URL, this is the same URL, guys. You can either copy from here also, not a problem. There also you can copy, or from here also you can copy. And in one of the new tab of the browser, just open this URL. Okay. Once you open this URL, you'll get this kind of interface. You'll get this kind of interface, agent settings kind of thing will come. Okay. This UI may change tomorrow, but for today, this is like this. Don't do anything here. Just scroll down and here LLM provider. Okay, it's asking for the LLM provider. So here, open this, and you have different LLMs. Open AI, that is ChatGPT ones. Okay, DeepSeek is there, Google Gemini is there. Okay, and different stuff. Okay, different varieties are there here. Out of Anthropic is there. Okay, many LLMs are there. In that, I'm going to use Google. Okay, for this example, I'm going to use Google, and by default here, when I select Google here, Google Gemini 2.0 Flash kind of stuff will come. That's okay, guys. Okay, this is okay. Okay, whatever that is by default it is coming, that is okay. Here LLM temperature, how much permissions you are giving for the AI to be more powerful for you. If you want a powerful AI, okay, AI LLM kind of stuff, you can increase this. Okay, you can increase this. Okay, it will become too powerful. It will take decisions like anything. Okay, if you want the AI tool not to be too much intelligent and should be, responsible or something, middle you can put. Or if you want, I'll go with the extreme thing. Okay. I'll give complete permissions for the AI to take the actions. Okay. So I'll give 2 here. Okay. I'll increase the temperature to 2. Okay. Then don't worry about the base URL. You don't need that. Next thing, we need the API key for Google Gemini API key we need. Okay. Google Gemini API key. I need to connect the Google Gemini with this web UI thing. Okay, with this web UI interface thing, I need to connect the Google Gemini. For that, in the new tab, I'll search for Google Gemini API key. Like this, if I search, I'll get this link, Google Gemini API. Click on that link. Okay, once you click on this Google Gemini API, you'll be taken to this kind of page, Google AI Studio, and go to Google AI Studio button will be there. Click on that. Once you click on that, here generate a get API key will come. Okay, in your Google account, you'll get this get API key. Click on that. Once I click on that, API keys page will come. Here create API key button will be there. Click on that, and here just type some name, Gemini API or whatever it is. Just type some name here or give a different name. Okay, sample. Okay, demo Google Gemini API, like that. Give some name. Okay. Okay. Once I give the name, it should come. Create API key is not coming here. I'll do one thing. I'll just search for Gemini API. Okay, simple. Some option is coming here. If you don't get the option, you can create it freshly. Okay. Gemini API, you type, guys. Okay. Whether this option will come or not, type Gemini API and simply click on create API key in existing project. Simple. Your goal is to click on that button. Once you click on that button, this API key will be generated. I'll copy this. So guys, I'll delete this API key. Okay, don't use this API key for your purpose. You have to create your own API key. Okay, whatever the API key I'm creating here in my account, right, I'll be deleting at the end of the session anyhow, so that no one should be using. Okay, security reasons, I should be deleting that. Okay, I'll paste this API key here. Once I paste the API key generated here, and all these things are, you don't have to do anything here, guys. Next thing is that go to the browser settings. Go to the browser settings, guys, and simply select this disable browser security. Disable browser security, you select, okay? And remaining things you keep open, that's okay. Only this option you select for now. No need to change anything else. Next step is that go to run agent. Go to run agent, scroll down. Here, under the run agent, you will see your task or response, like a chat GPT prompt box will be there, right? Like that, you will get, you here, whatever you ask, the web UI interface with the help of AI agent will do the things for you. Okay. The agent is now ready. Okay. Agent is now is going to be in action. Whatever the title I gave here, right? AI agents in action. You're going to see the AI agent in action. Whatever the things you type here, it will understand. AI agent will understand and will do it for you. I'm going to give you good number of examples for this. You see, I'll say open. Okay. Or you can use whatever the English. Okay. Browse google.com. Okay. Comma search for my work is all my software testing work that I generally do will be created QFox, right? Okay, search QFox in search box field. Okay, or you can say type also. Type QFox in search box field. Okay, click on search button and open the first link from the generated search results. Like this I'll write. Okay, just you see, I'm my English is like this. I have written like this. Okay, based on your kind of English level, you can type whatever the one, but you are just giving some instruction. Okay, to the AI agent, you are giving an instruction to do all this stuff. Okay. Now simply click on submit task, guys. Everything you are going to see the AI agent in action now. Click on submit task. You see, process will start automatically. The Chromium browser or some browser will launch, and you will see it will open google.com. It will browse QFox, and all those stuff will happen. It will type QFox, click on the search button, and then the displayed search results. It's going to click on the link. Okay. Just wait for some time. It's taking some time to understand the task and all. The AI agent is taking some time to understand the task, guys. So let's wait. Okay, earlier it took very less time for me, but now it's taking some time. That's okay. Okay, a lot of time it has taken already, but nothing is happening. Let's wait to see if any problem or something. Already have submitted the task and nothing is going on. Here, let's see the logs and all what is happening. Okay, some message came. Agent is now running, right, guys? You see, agent is now running. Let's see what will happen. You see, browser has automatically opened, guys. Browser has automatically opened. I didn't do anything. Till now, the agent was processing, and now agent, you see, it selected the search box field, and maybe it will type the word QFox. Now it need to click on the Google search button. It need to click on the search button. I gave very vague English instructions, and everything should be done by the AI agent now for me. Okay, it's kind of slow, but it's doing some work for me. I need to click on the Google search button. Let's see whether that will happen or not. Let's wait for some time. It has typed QFox, but is it stopped or it is working? I don't know. But something happened so far. Okay, it's doing. Still the agent is running or it stopped. Agent is still running, guys. Okay, see that agent is still running. It didn't stop. I don't know why it's taking so much of time this time, but it's kind of slow this time for me. Earlier it was very fast for me. Okay, You can cross check here what is happening. Input QFX it has done, and is A agent running? Yes, A agent is running. Yeah, it clicked on. It took some time, guys. Okay, we should be patient enough. Okay, sometimes it will be slow. And in the search results, it need to click on the first link. Okay, I gave the instruction for clicking on the first link, that is qfox.com should be clicked. Out of all the links, qfox.com should be clicked. You see, it's clicking on the whatever the task I gave for the AI agent. It has done very well. Okay, once the task is completed, guys, AI agent will stop running here. See, and it will generate some logs and all those stuff for you. Okay. Agent is still running. You see, it's generating all the logs, step one, what it has done, and what it has done. Screenshots also it has taken and provided all the information here. And now it is actually, it didn't stopped running here, still running here. Let's see. Should complete. Maybe it's kind of slow, guys. We should be patient enough here in this case. Sometimes it will be slow. That's okay. It's still running here. Once this button gets enabled, right, we can assume that it's completed. Anyhow, it has completed my task. Whatever the task I gave, I asked it to open google.com and search for type QFox text in the search box. We'll click on the search button and the search results open the first link that comes in the search results. It has clicked on the link also. Everything it was able to do it, but it's kind of slow when compared to my previous experience on this. It's kind of very slow. Now if you want anything to be done on this website page, it will do it, guys. Okay, not only this, it can do other stuff also for you. Okay, it is scanning your entire, this page is very big or lengthy, maybe it's scanning entire thing for you, but you don't have any other activities afterwards, so should be good to go. Okay, so let's wait for some more time. I'll be demonstrating few other things for you guys. Apart from this, I'll be demonstrating few other things also for you. Okay, there's one activity that AI agent has done for you now. Whatever the instruction, like you gave some instruction, like whatever you type in ChatGPT will generate content, right? But in this case, this web UI helped us in, it's taking some action, guys, with the help of by accessing the Google Gemini API key and all those stuff. It's performing some activities. It has interacted with your browser. It's taking some action on your browser. It did whatever you asked for. It has done on your browser, right? That's what is the difference you can see. Okay, it's still running, guys. It's not able to. I don't know why it's still running. So much of time it's taking. Should stop here, but it's still running. Okay, it's still running. If you want to stop it, you can stop it. Okay, that's okay. Stopping also is taking time. That's okay. Now it has stopped running. I'm good with that, so I have stopped it. Okay, I'll close this, guys. I'll close this. You can also give instructions to close the browser and all those stuff. Also, it will do that. Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll just again click on run. I can give another task here. Okay, I can give another task here, guys. Okay, it has captured these things. Okay, I'll give one more task here. So hoping that it should be very fast this time. I just refreshed here, so the settings got changed. Again, I'll give Google and Gemini, and here temperature I'll increase, API key, whatever the API key, again the API key I'm giving. Okay, once I give the API key, I don't have to do anything else and just go to the browser settings, disable security, I'll select. Okay, then okay, disable security. Then run agent I'll say, and here go down. And in this, I need to give the task. Next task I want to give here is I would like to ask it to go to this application. Okay, I want it to go to this e-commerce application and navigate to the login page. Okay, click on my account and navigate to the login page. Once it goes to the login page, I want it to enter some credentials. I'll give the credentials also, which credentials it has to enter in the login page also I'll give. Once it goes to the login page, I'll ask it to, it's kind of very slow. Maybe my internet problem, guys. I don't know. Okay. So maybe change my internet a bit. Maybe it will become fast. Just give it a second. Okay. Let's refresh here. Now it's kind of speed, right? Go to the login and login page will come. I'll give the email address and password. I'll give some valid email address and valid password here and click on the, I'll ask it to log into the application and verify that the logout option has been come or not. After that, I'll ask it to log out. Okay, and close the browser. All these instructions I'm going to give it. Okay, I'll just log out here first of all and just go to this and give the instruction. Open URL in a browser. Okay, open URL. I don't have to say the browser. Maximize the browser, comma, navigate to login page using my account drop option. Okay, drop menu option followed by, okay, option and login option. Okay, using my account, using login option under. This is the best way, right? I'll use the English in a better way. Okay, using login option under my account drop menu. Then enter valid username, valid email address, valid email address. Say, okay, this is the email address. Okay, this is a valid email address which will work for the application, and valid password. Say, okay, into the email and password fields. Okay, click on login button. Okay, then check whether user got successfully logged in. Then log out using the logout option. Okay, on the web page. Then close the browser. Okay, check check user got check user got logged out and check user got logged out and close the browser. Okay, this main instructions I gave. I'll simply say submit the task. Let's see what will happen. Agent is started running, guys. This time hope that it will be kind of fast. It will go to the application URL that I have given. Let's wait. Sometimes it will be slow. It has opened the browser. It need to browse the application URL. Okay. Agent is sometimes agent will take time, guys. It need to take actions, right? It will take some time. That's okay. We should be okay with that. We should be patiently waiting for the actions to be done. It may not be so much fast for you. It's okay for the agents to take some time in doing the activities on the browser that using the instructions we have given. It may be trying to understand the instructions, maybe. Okay. That's okay. Still, still taking some time. That's okay. Let's wait, guys. Let's patiently wait and see whether it is working fine or not. Let's patiently wait for the activity. Yeah, it is browsing the application. I asked it to maximize the browser. Let's see whether it will maximize the browser or not. Let's see whether it will maximize the browser or not. The browser is not in maximize mode. I'm just asking it, I asked it to, in the prompt that I have given for the AI agent, I asked it to, that is Web UI agent, AI agent, I asked it to maximize the browser. Let's see the next step will be done or not. Let's patiently wait, guys. It is, kind of slow. That's okay. But it's able to do the work. But it is able to do the work. The next step is maximizing the browser. Let's hope for the best where it will maximize the browser for us. Let's hope for the best there. Okay. You see, it's going very slow. I can understand. It is testing our patience levels. That's okay. But it is doing. That's important. Next step is to maximize the browser. It has not done it. Let's wait for it to complete that task of maximizing the browser. Let's wait for some more time and hope that it will maximize the browser. It's not that fast as our automation scripts, right? That's okay. But we are experiencing something new where we are giving instruction to the AI agent and AI agent is doing the things for us now. Okay, that's what is important, guys. Okay, that's what is important. Whatever we are trying is important. Okay, a lot of time it has taken, but it has not gone to the next level. It's really testing our patience though. Till here it was able to do. It has opened the browser and maximized the browser. Sorry, open the application URL in the browser. But next task is it's taking too much of time. Maybe this kind of things. Maybe the tools are kind of it's not getting proper response from the LLMs or something. Okay, because of that. The Web UI is just an interface, right? It need to connect with an LLM and the LLM need to process the request properly. Okay, so things may be slow. We are using Google Gemini LLM. Maybe that is slow. It's giving the response very slow. We don't know. Okay, in the background. Next, so let's see what will happen here. Still taking a lot of time. Okay, it's testing our patience levels, guys. It has done something so far, but after that, it's not doing anything. Okay. It clicked on my account, guys. It clicked on my account. You can clearly see it has clicked on my account somehow. And now it need to select the log. It didn't maximize the browser. Maybe it has not taken the instruction. Now it's selecting the login option. Okay. I thought it will maximize the browser, but it didn't maximize, guys. Okay. So that's why it took a lot of time. So next thing is that it is selecting the login option. Should navigate to the login page, then enter the credentials. Okay, that's okay, guys. It will take some time. Every step it is taking a lot of time. It's slow. Basically, it's slow, guys. Okay. Maybe sometimes other time when you try it may be fast. Okay. But now when I'm trying to demonstrate here in my machine, it's kind of slow. But for you, it may be fast also, depending on the kind of response it's getting from the LLMs like Google, Gemini, etc., for which we have connected the API key and all. The agent is kind of slow here in this case. But most of the things it's doing, right? It's clicking on my account, then selecting the login option. It has not selected the login option yet. It need to select though. Hope it will go to the login page today. Though I am demonstrating it, it's taking a lot of time. Okay, we need to see the entire scenario. Be patient, guys. Okay, enough in just waiting for that to happen. It is exciting at the same time painful also because it's kind of slow in this case. You didn't write any automation code, just configurations and setting up the web UI. Okay, browser use kind of stuff, web UI, and that all the installations and configurations and installing Python. Those were the few things and running few commands, right? And we are here. You don't have to write any automation code. Just give the instructions in plain English, and you can set up your own LLM kind of stuff to make these things happen. But it's kind of slow though. Okay, it is there here. I need to go to the next step. It's not going to the next step. It's testing our patience level still. Okay. Maybe it's unable to find the login option so easily. Even the Google was very slow, right? Google to open the google.com very slow and search it for QFox very slow. And one activity at least we have seen, but this activity to see it right, it's taking too much of time. Anyhow, we have experience now. By this time, you are already good guys. You know how the AI agents will work and how to set up the AI agents. One sample AI agent I showed you in this session how to experience it and all. But it will take some time and do the things anyhow. But this is what is the thing, guys. Okay, this is what is the thing I wanted to. You see, it has used Chromium browser. Okay, to get the things done, it has used Chromium browser for us. Right? It's not doing any other browser. It has done in the Chromium browser in this case. Okay, and also you can see all the logs here. Okay, navigate to login page using under my account using login option under. It's trying to do on that. Okay, it has clicked a button. All the logs are coming. You see, I successfully opened. Okay, then any other thing? I successfully, you see here, I have successfully opened this one. Navigate to login page is currently going on in the background. Agent is working on the step 7. Clicked button with index to my account and some agent it is saying and saying step 7, but it's not doing anything now. Okay. Agent is taking hell lot of time in this case. But you can clearly observe what is going on and you can also see here like what it has done so far. Okay, you can clearly see it has opened the application and what it is doing and all. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. I don't know. Okay, that's okay guys. Okay, it's not that much great in doing the task that I'm giving. It's kind of very slow. Maybe it will do it, but this much of time is not good, right? I'll stop it because it's taking hell lot of time. Okay, but I showed you some demonstrations how to use this web UI. Okay, I tried my level best. That's okay. I stopped it. I'll close it manually. So that's it. Okay. You can get all the information what it has done so far and all those stuff. Okay. And you'll get some GAF images also. Okay. So GAF kind of stuff also you'll get like, of whatever we have done, whatever it has done so far, you will get this GI kind of stuff. Okay, fine. The speed is very slow, guys. I don't know why, but the speed is kind of slow. If there are any settings or something for to increase the speed, I don't know. But the kind of speed is very slow. Okay. Maybe we can give instructions in a better way. We'll try that out. Okay. Run agent, go here and give step-by-step instructions, guys. Okay. What was the instruction we given here? Earlier, what is the instruction we have given? Let's try this last time. Let's try this. Maybe we are not good with giving the instructions. What was the instruction we have given here? This is the instruction, right? I'll give the step-by-step instruction here for it. Okay. Okay. Open. Then navigate to login page. Enter valid email address. Say Moturi cap 6 at the rate gmail.com. Let's give it last try to see whether it's our problem or its problem. Enter valid password. Say 12345 here into the email field. Into the email field. Into the password field. Click on login button. Check whether user got successfully logged in. Okay. Submit task. Let's see what it will do this time. Will it do it fast or kind of slow? Let's give a last try for this. It opened the browser very fast. I don't know, this time it's kind of fast. It need to open the application page URL. For browser it is opening fast, but application page URL is opening very slow. Last time also it has opened the application page URL in a slow manner. I tried a different way to give the different steps and all. Instead of writing like a paragraph, I gave step by step instructions this time. See whether it is kind of speed or slow this time. Okay. It need to open the application. Then navigate to login page, then enter the credentials, click on the login button, check whether user got successfully logged in or not. Let's give a last try. If it is also taking time, I'll stop. I'll not go forward, okay? But at least I showed you how to use AI agents and give the instructions to the AI agents, okay? How to set up the AI agents and how to give the instructions. That's enough. You can see the command prompt here if you're not able to see anything. It's taking a lot of time to open the application URL. Maybe LLM is slow, guys. Okay, that's the reason. Otherwise, it won't be this slow. LLM, whatever the LLM we are using for setting up this AI agent is kind of slow in the background. Okay, so that's the reason it may be slow. Otherwise, it won't be this much slow. Anyhow, we'll stop here, guys. Okay, it's gonna waste our time and all. Let's stop here. Let's not go forward. But anyhow, you have learned something, right? So what I'll do here is, I'll just refresh this page and whatever the API key I created, right? I'll delete this. Okay. You see here is API key I created. I'll delete this API key. Okay. I don't want to use that. So you can experience this, guys, and see. You can be patiently waiting for this to happen and all those stuff. It will work. Okay. Just give proper prompts here and it will do the work. Okay. Using this interface. I'll close all this stuff. Close all this stuff. So with this note, guys, we are done with, have successfully demonstrated how to use AI agents. Okay. So with practical demonstration, I showed you at least that Google search have shown you, right? Search typing for QFox text and click on the search button and click on the first link in the search results and open that link. I showed you that properly. At least one example I was able to show you. Remaining examples, you try, okay? You try to you try all the stuff by yourself, guys. Okay, fine. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye.